The 2023 Mercedes Maybach S580 is a true masterpiece, combining breathtaking design, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled luxury. It represents the pinnacle of automotive achievement, catering to those who demand the utmost in refinement and exclusivity. From the moment you lay eyes on the Maybach S580, you're captivated by its commanding presence. Its sleek lines, sculpted body, and the iconic Maybach double M grille immediately make a statement. This is a vehicle that effortlessly combines power and grace, turning heads wherever it goes. Hi everyone, welcome to Exceptional Luxury. On this channel we bring you the latest, honest, and to-the-point narrated videos about luxury, automotive excellence, luxury lifestyle, and the wealthiest people all over the world. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell so you don't miss any videos. Today, we have an absolute masterpiece to showcase, the 2023 Mercedes Maybach S580. Get ready to be blown away as we delve into its exquisite interior. Meanwhile, let's explore its stunning exterior specifications. Let's jump right in. The 2023 Mercedes Maybach S580 is a true embodiment of elegance and sophistication, boasting a striking exterior design that is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Let's take a closer look at its impressive exterior specifications. The Maybach S580 features a captivating presence, with a beautifully sculpted body that exudes grace and power. The iconic Maybach double M grille takes center stage, complemented by chrome accents that add a touch of luxury. The LED intelligent light system illuminates the road ahead with exceptional clarity and style. Now, let's talk about the wheels. The 2023 Maybach S580 offers a selection of stunning alloy wheels. You can opt for the standard 20-inch wheels or upgrade to the impressive 21-inch wheels, both of which feature an exquisite design that perfectly complements the car's aesthetics. Not only do these wheels enhance its visual appeal, but they also contribute to a smooth and comfortable ride. The 2023 Mercedes Maybach S580 in particular houses a range of essential safety elements, raising the bar and ensuring your safety on the road. At the heart of the safety features in the Mercedes Maybach S580 lies the B-pillar, which seamlessly integrates a host of important elements. Let's start with the first one. 1. Hazard Warning Light System. To enhance your safety during roadside emergencies or breakdowns, the Mercedes Maybach S580 features a hazard warning light system. Activating this system signals other drivers to exercise caution, ensuring a safer environment for you and those around you. 2. First Aid Kit, Tire Fit Kit, and Warning Triangle. Last but certainly not least, Mercedes Maybach S580 houses essential safety. 3. Fuel filler flap with information labels and QR code. Even refueling has been made safer and more convenient. Mercedes Maybach S580 incorporates a fuel filler flap that includes information labels on fuel type and tire pressure. 4. Flat tire assistance. Dealing with a flat tire can be stressful, but the Mercedes Maybach S580 offers a solution. It includes a comprehensive flat tire assistance system equipped with the necessary tools and instructions to help you change a tire quickly and efficiently. Moving on to the interior, the 2023 Mercedes Maybach S580 pampers its occupants with unparalleled luxury and sophistication. No expense has been spared in crafting an interior that sets new standards for automotive excellence. As you step inside the Maybach S580, you are greeted by a world of opulence and refinement. The cabin is adorned with the finest materials, including sumptuous Nappa leather upholstery that envelopes the seats, door panels, and dashboard. The craftsmanship is evident in every stitch, showcasing the impeccable attention to detail. The front seats are designed to provide the utmost comfort and support. They offer a range of adjustments, allowing you to find the perfect position for your journey. The available massage function adds an extra layer of relaxation, ensuring a truly luxurious experience on the road. The front seats of the Mercedes Maybach S580 offer an array of luxurious and convenient features. With 3 memory settings, you can easily program your preferred seating setup, ensuring a personalized experience every time you enter the vehicle. But that's not all. These seats also come with a massage feature, allowing you to indulge in relaxation while on the move. Plus, you have the option to select hot or cold cooling settings, ensuring optimal comfort in any weather condition. Moving on to the door panel, you'll find a premium Burmester high-end surround sound system, delivering an immersive audio experience throughout the cabin. And conveniently located down below is a button that opens and closes the power boot, providing easy access to the spacious trunk area. Adding to the elegant touches, the door slide proudly displays the Maybach logo, showcasing the vehicle's prestigious heritage. The seats themselves boast a soft headrest and are adorned with luxurious Nappa leather upholstery. The car's interior features a captivating two-tone color scheme, exuding elegance and sophistication. The side mirrors of the Mercedes Maybach S580 come with power adjustments, which can be conveniently controlled from the steering wheel. Also is an electric handbrake button, adding a touch of modernity and convenience. Furthermore, the accelerator and brake pedals are crafted from sleek stainless steel, with the elegant engraving of the iconic Mercedes-Benz logo. These pedal accents not only enhance the visual appeal, but also showcase the meticulous attention to detail and luxurious craftsmanship found throughout the vehicle. Not only can you control various features of the car from the multimedia system, but the 2 rear doors can also be opened and closed as well from the multimedia system on the cockpit, and it's so satisfying to watch. So much control that you can basically control every feature of the car right on the screen, such as the ambient light, with so many colorful lights combinations schemes to choose from for any mood. But you can also set the seat memory, monitor vehicle consumption, check engine performance, and view the car's location on the map, all while driving. The steering wheel is equipped with handy controls for easy navigation and interaction with the vehicle's systems. The driver display screen offers a multitude of mood selections and themes to personalize your driving experience. Speaking of which, the steering wheel features the Maybach logo, adding a touch of exclusivity and refinement. The multimedia system takes center stage as the central controller of the vehicle. It grants you access to the 360-degree camera, providing a comprehensive view of your surroundings. You can even link the multimedia system to the driver display screen, ensuring a seamless and integrated user experience. Above, the overhead control panel boasts several features, including individual switches to turn the front interior lighting on or off, as well as a central switch for both the front and rear interior lighting. You can also open or close the panoramic roof using the power tilt and sliding panel, and control the rear roller sunblind to adjust the amount of sunlight entering the cabin. Within the front seat's armrest, you'll find 2 hot and cold cup holders, a charging station, and a spacious storage compartment, providing convenience and functionality. The sun visor includes built-in mirrors and lighting for added convenience. The Burmester high-end surround sound speakers located throughout the vehicle rotate once the volume is adjusted, ensuring an optimal listening experience. Lastly, the doors of the Mercedes Maybach S580 are touch-sensitive and elegantly display the Mercedes-Benz engraving, reflecting the brand's commitment to exquisite craftsmanship and attention to detail. With these remarkable features, let's check out the rear interior of the Mercedes Maybach S580. Now, let's talk about the rear seats. The Maybach S580 prioritizes passenger comfort, providing ample legroom and space to stretch out and relax. The available executive rear seats elevate the experience to new heights. With adjustable footrests, folding tray tables, and even a refrigerated compartment, the rear cabin becomes a haven of luxury. The interior of the Maybach S580 is not only luxurious but also technologically advanced. The dual 12.3-inch high-resolution displays form the centerpiece of the dashboard, offering intuitive controls and access to a wide range of infotainment options. The available Burmester 3D surround sound system envelopes you in an immersive audio experience, further enhancing the luxury ambience. The rear seat multimedia system has compatibility to control all the features in the car, such as the ambience lighting, and there are so many options to choose from. The Maybach logo on the door slide is very appealing. The door rear panel has so many buttons for your comfort, and the rear seat is a luxurious Nappa leather seat, nicely stitched with comfy pillows surrounded with an ambience lighting around it. There is a sleek storage compartment for your office files behind the front seats. The rear seat side has vertical air conditioning vents that can be turned off and on. Between the two rear seats is a hot and cold cup holders, your air conditioning control and display screen, and your ambience lights can still be controlled from there. The compartment closes and opens just by a touch of a button, and it's satisfying to watch. The center roof has a Burmester high-end surrounding sound speakers with nice lighting on it. You have your individual rear interior lighting and switches on the side, along with the button to close the door and as well open the door. All these features are so satisfying to watch. And the warm white lighting, ambient lighting, and panoramic roof give you that perfect space for a selfie. Now moving on to the right-hand side of the rear seats is the executive seat. It's an executive because of the special legroom it offers. The door panel has still the same button features and Burmester high-end surrounding sound speakers with nice lighting on it. The rear door's windows have a matte shade if you don't want to be seen, and the rear windscreen too. The rear seats are spacious and have plenty of legroom. With a push of a button, you can move the front seat forward, creating even more legroom for the executive seat. The interior is so comfy, and with a dark gray rug on the floor and a luxurious Nappa leather seat and a double reclining feature for the seat. The Nappa leather upholstery and seat craftsmanship are evident in every stitch, showcasing the impeccable attention to detail. The two-tone interior is sleek and amazing, and an eliminating seat belt plug and a seat belt extender for your easy access to the belt once the door is closed. For easy control, access to the multimedia system is a mini tablet where you can choose which of the rear screens you want to control and quickly have access and control to all the features in the car just from the tablet, such as the lighting and so on. And you easily raise the armrest to access the folding tray tables. These tables can serve so many purposes: a working desk, relaxing, eating while watching a movie, and a refrigerator for your chilled drinks, which also has a wine glass holder inside it. The doors have floor lighting to ensure you see your surroundings before stepping into the car. The ability to choose multiple ambience lighting colors is an amazing sight to behold, as well as the two-tone interior and Maybach logo right on the door slide. It also has its own air freshener that diffuses into its air conditioning cooling vents. The 2023 Mercedes Maybach S580 is a true masterpiece, combining breathtaking design, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled luxury. It represents the pinnacle of automotive achievement, catering to those who demand the utmost in refinement and exclusivity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things luxury, automotive, and lifestyle. Let's embark on this unforgettable journey together.